Hey, my beautiful super people. Look at these two ingredients. I set out to get some delicious papaya ice cream. Little did I know I was in for a surprise. So after me done clean up my papaya, then take out the seeds and cut them up nicely. Put them in my blender, pour in my true shake, and proceed to blending it out nice and smooth. Just imagine how thick and rich this is going to be. My people, please remember to subscribe to my channel, like and comment and share the video. Thank you. So guys, look at this. Look how that nice and thick and rich. Tell me, say an ice cream that. Eh? So I decided that I want it to be even thicker. So I add some more papaya, throw in some more of the true shake and some vanilla, some nutmeg, some salt, and spice up the thing, and it smells good at this point. Then now when me done, me throw it out in a bowl, cover it, put it in the freezer. You know when me get one big block of ice when me check it the next morning. That couldn't be ice cream. So I tie it out, and this is what I get. And I was going to throw it away, so me decide say no, I'm not dash me nice papaya and shake. So me I gonna make some cake. And guys, I took my 3 eggs, as you can see. I broke my eggs. Then I added some sugar, just a little bit of sugar. I don't want this to be too sweet. I added some vanilla, more vanilla. I added some yellow flavoring, to just enhance the color of the papa. Then I add some cinnamon extract, and I proceed to blend all of that together. Maybe I try get it foamy, but I did not have the patience for that. So when it starts to get a little bit foamy now, I stop and I add about a quarter cup of oil in it, cooking vegetable oil, and I added some salt, and I proceed to whisk it again. At this point, I added my papaya mixture and give it a good blend up again. Just blending everything. Guys, remember, I'm just adding ingredients as I go. This was not planned. I just pick up some things and say me I make a cake and I not dash my papaya. So I add some more sugar after tasting it. It wanted some sugar, so I add some. And right here, I just decide say a coconut powder would taste good. So I say me I add one. See? Just throw out a whole pack of coconut powder and then I start blend again. It's now time to add some dry ingredients like my flour and so forth. I added some baking powder, about a tablespoon or so. Then I'm going to add the same amount of baking soda. I'm just kind of judging it at this point. Then I sieve out my flour to make sure I don't have no lumps and stuff, rub it out through your strainer. And then I am mixing, use my spatula to kind of mix it in. So it's way too watery at this point, so I'm adding a little bit more flour. Sieving out, same procedure. I'm now using the spatula to combine the dry flour into the mixture. Then after a certain point, I am going to use the mixer to get a lump-free mixture. Look at that, guys. Nice, smooth and rich. And just look at the papaya. It's just so pretty. And now I am going to spray my baking dish with a non-stick spray. Guys, please remember to subscribe to my channel for these delicious recipe straight out of Super Kitchen. Look at that. So I will not full the baking dish all the way up because I have to give it space to rise. And the little bit that was left over, I just put it in another pan over here, so this will finish much faster. Maybe like 15 minutes or so this finish, and I can taste it, you know, before the big one. May I tell you guys, this was so delicious. Me would have made this again. My accident cake was off the chain. So my cake is now completed, and I'm now slicing this delicious goodness. Look at the texture. Look how it just nice and moist, spongy. Check that out. Try this papaya cake and let me know, guys.